everybody, and welcome again to these video tutorials in rhythm. My name is Bundgård, oral training professor, associate professor at the Royal Danish Academy of Music. My colleague Erik Højsgaard, professor oral training at the Royal Danish Academy of Music, and the author of this great book, Rhythm Advanced Studies, that we are working with. As always, if this is your first encounter with these tutorials, please we recommend that you just watch the introduction video before you start with the tutorials of the different chapters. Today's chapter, chapter 9, the hemiola, a very important chapter, Erik. I know you consider this hemiola to be kind of the origin or the base of many rhythm structures to come, and I know that you have prepared a little keynote for us here. Yeah, just tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, the hemiola I consider most important because from this you can derive polyrhythmic things, you can derive mixed time signatures. Yeah. Let's have a short look at this. Yeah. If we have the hemiola here as a base, as you say, we have the polyrhythm 3 against 2. Yeah. We can also have from this derive a lot of other polyrhythmic things. Yeah. We can have mixed time signatures. From this we can go to the irrational time signatures and the polymeter. Yeah. From the polyrhythm 3 against 2 we can have nested polyrhythm. And you see there's a little blank space here to the left. Maybe we can write metric modulations here. As you'll see, this is not a rhythmic structure, but it is more annotation, you might say.
And there is a whole tutorial concerning metric modulation. I think it's chapter 17, so you can watch that also. But hemiola, kind of the center of many rhythm structures. Yeah. And should we just do the first exercise here?
Let's do this. 55.
55.
Yes.
And we will sing the melody for you today, although we are not very great singers.
We are definitely not singers.
But we will give it our best shot here.
Yeah.
So you conduct, Erik, a couple of bars ahead, 88.
Yeah. I count 2 bars before, and then we'll have on the second bar the anacrosis, the upbeat.
Yeah, da da dum.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Da ba da ba ba, ya ba ba ba. Da ba ba da da da. Ya ba da da ba da 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 ba. Da ba da ba da ba da ba da. Not so bad.
It's okay.
And what can we see here about the notation here?
Maybe you noticed on the first line, the bar 6 and 7, you have 2, 3, 4 meters, and with this tie, you can see it's almost become a 3/2 meter. Yeah. And this is the definition on a hemiola. 2, 3, 4 meters equals a 2 meter.
Yeah, two bars becoming 1 bar actually. Yeah. And we see that very clearly in the next exercise in 56.
Yeah, that's right.
Where we have hemiolas, but now we have taken away the bar line.
Yeah.
And why do we do this, Erik?
I think it's a practical, not only to save ink, but also that it's easier to read.
It's easier.
Yes.
Which is kind of the reason why we notate music the way we do, is because it should be as easy and intuitive as possible for the musicians to read.
In order to save rehearsal time and all these things.
Should we do this as well?
Let's do this. A little slower. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Ya da ba ba da ba ba da da da. Da da ba da ba da ba da ba. Ya da ba da ba da. Ya da ba da ba da ya da da da. Ya ba da ba da da ba da 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 ba da.
Yes. And you see in both lines you'll have these, as you mentioned, the long bars. Yeah. And from this you can see you have almost a polyrhythmic feeling.
Like you presented in your keynote, the hemiola actually becoming 3 against 2 polyrhythm.
Yeah, exactly. And to show you an original example, we might I have found this Kongelige, Opus 6, number 8. Yeah. It's a famous concerto grosso, Fatto per la notte di Natale. and you'll see it here on the screen. Let's do this.
Yes, let's just do the rhythm.
2 bars before.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Dum, dum, di da, ga ya da da, di da da, bam.
And here you notice the second last bar is notated with 3 halves.
Yes, just as in the chapter here in the book.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Erik. This was a little introduction here to the hemiola, and it becomes the set-off for the next chapter concerning mixed time signatures. That will be Rhythm Tutorial Chapter 10. But as always, thank you for watching. The book can be purchased in the links below, Danish, English and Italian, ebooks in Danish and English. Thank you for watching, and until the next one. Bye.
Bye-bye.